In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Gmail on your PC. As screens become a constant presence in our daily lives, eye strain is an issue for many of us. The bright white backgrounds of various applications can contribute to this discomfort. Turning on dark mode in Gmail not only helps reduce eye strain, but can also give your inbox a sleek, modern look. So let's walk through the process together. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your preferred web browser and go to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, look for the sign in button. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and click it. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials, so fill those in with your email and password and sign into your account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the one for which you want to activate dark mode. After successfully logging in, click on the little grid icon located at the top right corner of the Google homepage. This will open a drop-down menu showing various Google services. Here you'll want to click on Gmail to access your inbox. Once in Gmail, you're going to look for the settings icon, which looks like a small gear, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on See All Settings. It's important to select this option as it takes you to the full settings menu where we can customize the theme. Next, within the settings menu, find and click on the Themes tab. This is the section where you can explore different visual themes available for Gmail. We're interested in the dark mode option, so let's move to the next step. In the Themes tab, locate the option that says Set Theme. Give that a click. You'll be presented with a range of theme options including various backgrounds and colors. Scroll through until you find the option labeled Dark. When you click on it, you will see a preview of how your inbox will look in dark mode. Finally, once you've selected the dark theme, make sure to click the Save button to apply this theme to your Gmail. This will ensure that every time you access your mail, the dark mode will be active, providing you with a vibrant yet comfortable viewing experience. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you have successfully turned on dark mode in Gmail on your PC. You should now find that your emails are easier on the eyes, especially when working late or in low light environments. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.